Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this Christmas tree collage. First, select the ellipse tool and draw a small circle. Go to View and be sure your smart guides are showing. Then press the letter V to select the circle and let's create two copies. Make sure the circles are touching. Switch to the pen tool and click on this anchor point. Next, click on this one, then in the middle of the guide, and finally back at the starting anchor point to create a triangle. If you wish, change its color. Next, select everything and create a copy. Select the last circle and make one more copy. Now select the triangle and make a copy as well. Be sure these two anchor points are aligned. Select everything and create one more copy. And like we did previously, create one more circle and move this triangle to align with the right anchor point of the last circle. Select the top shape and then go to the Shape Builder tool. Let's delete this part and this one. With everything still selected, go to Pathfinder and choose Unite. Next, switch to the Direct Selection tool, select these two anchor points and round their corners. Let's repeat this with the other two shapes. Select all these shapes, switch to the Shape Builder tool and delete these two end shapes. Go to Pathfinder and choose Unite. Select these two anchor points and round their corners. And let's repeat this with the last shape. Switch to the Remove Anchor Point tool and click on this anchor point to remove it. And do the same with this one. Let's round these two anchor points. If you wish, apply different colors. Next, select all shapes and then open the Align window. Be sure Align is set to Selection and choose a Vertical Distribute Space and Horizontal Align Center. Next, select a different color and using the pen tool, click on this anchor point, then on this one, create one at the bottom, another one here, and one more to close the path. Next, select the top shape and then go to Object, Path and choose Offset Path. Set the offset to 10 pixels and then click OK. And let's repeat this with the other two shapes. Now select everything. Using the Shape Builder tool, remove the overlapping areas to create space between shapes. And let's connect these shapes together. Using the Star tool, draw a star on top. Select everything and group it together. Let's create a copy. Next, we will fill these shapes with photographs. First, make sure the shapes are ungrouped. Now select the top shape and then click on Draw Inside Mode from the toolbar panel. Next, go to File, Place and choose your photo. Now click, hold and drag to cover the top shape. If you like, adjust the position. When you are done with the first photo, be sure to change the selection to Draw Normal Mode. Select the second shape and repeat the process. Choose the Draw Inside mode. Press the Ctrl, Shift and P keys on your keyboard to open the same folder and choose the next photo. Change to Draw Normal mode and continue with the other shapes. To change a photo to a different one, first select a desired photo, then open the Layers panel, open the selected Clip Group sublayer and select the photo. Now click on the name of this photo from the tab bar. Choose Relink, select a different photo and then click Place. Finally, we will add a background. Let's group everything together. Next, switch to the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle covering half of the artboard. Let's move this layer to the bottom. Using the eyedropper tool, select one of the colors from your photo. Next, switch to the Type tool and type your text. To align the tree to the center of the blue background, first select the tree, then holding down the Shift key, select the background, and now click on the background to select it as a key object. Next, open the Align window and choose Horizontal Align Center. Finally, select the tree, change the fill to None, and the stroke to white. If you like, adjust its weight. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.